Oh, yep, on. Big on. Big sooty.
Yep, we're on.
Yep, on. G'day, I'm Saki D, and today we've been trying to catch a sooty for hours and hours and hours. And we're just going to head down to the spot, trying not to spook anything, and see if we can find any. Oh, yep, on! Big on! Big sooty! No, he's in the snag! No, he's off! No! That sooty was like 50 centimeters. He just reefed me straight away. See all the drag he pulled? He's just like... You
got your camera on?
Yeah. I think... Holy crap. First cast. Let's go back in there. A real good hole just up here. Yep, go on. Woo! Woo! Gee, that's a thick boy. Oi, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Oi. So, guys, first grunter of the day is a freaking monster. These things are pretty similar to barramundi. They'd make a great pet, wouldn't they? That's pretty big. That's about over 30 centimeters. Nice release on him. There he goes. Jeez, they're good fish to catch. Guys, so I just dropped my very expensive hunting knife and it went in the water. And is that it? Wait, that might be it. Hang on.
Is that it? Yes.
I think so, new plan, we're up the next creek. It looks pretty good. We're just gonna move upstream and we're gonna look for key spots where a sooty would hide. Oh, we got babies. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. Oh, eat it. Got him. Oh, there we go. He's only little, but we got him. Micro sooty grunter. He's really, really small. I'm just gonna let him go over here. I saw him come and grab it, so let's just... Off he goes. Now let me do this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, yeah, like and subscribe.